Alright, so hello, how are you guys doing? I tied up my hair because I want to film a get ready with me eyeshadow look, and I just want to use a palette that you guys can purchase and use those colors. So today I was inspired by this palette. It's a mess, but that's how you know, like, I've given it some love. And I'm going to be using this palette. It's called Soft Glam by Anastasia. And I will be going through with you guys how I do my eyeshadow. I like doing more of a smoky eye look. So let's get started. So the first color I will be using is going to be Orange Soda, and I will be using a blending brush, and I will be using this one. This is my very first blending brush. So I'm going to dip onto orange, which is the third one. 1, 2, 3 on top. And then you see the product there. That's just extra. So tap it. This will be my transition shade. Okay, so start. I'm gonna bring it from here. Start from the outer corner and go in circles and bring it in. 10. Tap off the excess. Why do I tap off the excess? Is because I don't want too much fallout. Slow circles, small circles. So my main focus is going to be like the backwards L. I like to bring it as close to the lash line as possible. And of course, I do my best in blending as much as I can, because we don't want any harsh lines. Now whatever product is left over, I'm just going to bring it in. It may look like I'm being very harsh on my eyelid, but I'm not. Okay, so now I feel like for a soft smoky eye, that's perfect. I'm going to go with Burnt Orange, which is the one below Orange Soda. And then I'm just gonna tap the excess and do the same thing. Small circle, small circle. You're supposed to put your lashes after you've done your eyeshadow, but it's late. It's almost, I think it's past midnight. I don't even know where my phone is, but I think it's right here. Hold on. It's right here. It is 104. 104. So, yeah. sleeping. So now this one, I don't want to take it out too much like the burnt orange, but I still want to take it out, but not too much. You see the difference where the burnt orange and then where the orange soda and the burnt orange are. Then whatever is left, I'm going to put it really close into the inner corner. So you see right there. Now with the brush that has nothing, which is our blending brush, I will blend both of the colors. And you see how it doesn't look so harsh. I think you're very soft, natural, smoky eye, daytime. And then I would just like add a glitter, which could be brightening or fairy or bronze. But let's leave bronze for more like the evening look. And let's do fairy for now, just so you're able to see. So I'm gonna grab my finger because it does have glitter, like a gold color. And I'm gonna put that on the inner corner. Very lightly. And I will only bring it in to like 1/3 of my eye. And then I will grab my blending brush. And just blend it in together. So right here, you're just like playing around with it. Just make sure you don't have any harsh lines. And you should be good. So that's how you work with 3 colors. Now, let's say I want to do a very dark smoky eye. This lash is ready to fall off. I'm gonna, let's say like by mistake you grabbed the wrong color. I'm going to grab mulberry, which is like a burgundy. And then of course, tap off the excess. And I'm gonna do it right here, of course. I'm gonna do the L in the corner. And I'm gonna do small circles. So it's starting to look really, really nice. I honestly am not mad at all. So as long as you start off with your transition color, you should be pretty good. The transition is more like a base for everything, because once it all blends like together, it looks stunning. So that's how I would do my daytime look. I don't feel like it's too strong, so we're trying to make it easy over here. Let's do this eye, and this one I'm gonna do it like a dark smoky eye. Since we're gonna do a dark smoky eye, I'm gonna just grab a big brush, and then I'm gonna do black. I'm gonna go straight in with black. So I want that black smoky eye. There you go, that's the black. Tap off the excess. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from the outer corner and I'm gonna work my way inwards. So what I'm doing basically is just packing on the color so it can stay. See, when I open my eye, it doesn't look. So I'm gonna bring it up a little more. I don't like the way it looks. And then at the corner, I'm just gonna fling it off. So I'm just gonna grab this brush and I'm just gonna blend the outer. Honestly, I am loving this one. Alright, so of course for the smoky eye look, I'm gonna grab some eyeshadow. I would only bring it halfway in, maybe just from the outer corner in 1/3 of your eye. And then now the golden one, or like the soft daytime, I would grab the bottom lash line brush, and I would grab the same colors that I used for my eyeshadow. I'll grab burnt orange, start off with that, and bring it in. And then I would grab mulberry. And bring it in. And then I would come in with this one. And it's clean, so I would just blend. And I would do it very gently. And then with this one, like, I would just grab the gold, which is fairy, inner corner. And then just to like make this eye look a little crazy, I would actually clean up excess fallout. I'm actually loving the black smoky eye. I just used the one color. That pigment on that black is so good. So this is the dark smoky eye look. And this is the daytime glam look. Honestly, I love both. Would probably do some glitter liner maybe, or let's see if we add some glitter with an angled brush. The glitter does give it some like pizzazz. That's the look. And this is this one. And of course, you can top it off with your favorite lippy. I would probably use stone for both of these looks. Some people like to use this as a top layer on your lippy. I honestly just use this color and like it works for me. And I will show you guys right now. I'm gonna say both looks with the same lip. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. or I just entertained you. Just kidding. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Alright, let's wipe this makeup off because we got a bit. Take off the lashes first. Get on rain with me. Sorry, I'm being bloopers. Bloopers. Thank you for watching this part. If you have, I will be doing a giveaway soon once I reach 500 subscribers on this channel, and stay tuned for the giveaway because it's gonna be good. So, yeah, stay tuned for that.